So not only do we do full pool enclosure rescreens, repair work, door installations, cable repair and replacements, tightening and replacements, kick plate install, but we actually do lanai inserts, and we're going to be doing a lanai insert today here at this house. We're going to be filling in all these panels here. So we're going to be putting a door on each end. We're going to have kick plate going across the bottom, 16-inch kick plate, and we're going to be using our nylo-tec screws, nylo-tec Pro-Tec system on the tap cons. So we'll be showing you that as we do that too, as we install the tap cons and the screws and stuff. We're going to be using the nylo-tec system and the Pro-Tec system. But this is what our project is for today. Just want to let everybody on my social media pages know that we do install lanais, and we are installing aluminum and framing stuff now as well, and along with the rescreens, the full rescreens that we do. Just want to take a minute here and show you the nylo-tec screws with a nylon head, and also the Pro-Tec system that we're going to be installing here on this lanai that we're building. So here we have the 2-inch screws, and they have a nylon head and have a special driver to install them. So there's a 2-inchers, and we got the Tects, the self-drilling screws here, the nylon heads, and then we got the tap cons, the blue tap cons with the 1-inch sleeve. It goes into the 1x2 here. Slide this in, right, and then you put a cap. You put a cap on top to cap it. So there's the caps. Here's the caps right here. They actually snap on to the bottom of this insert here, and then this is a protective sleeve that goes under the 1x2, and tap con goes through the sleeve, tightens down snug, and then you pop the caps on. Pop the caps on last. So that's what we use. That's what we use to do our new installs. We've been installing these new tap con systems, the new tap con system and the new screw system. So we got some of the project already installed here. I'm going to show you here in a second. We got 2 of the big openings finished here. As far as the framing goes,